Short Tigrinya grammar, ሰዋስው Tigrinya, ናይ ጊዜታት, verb tenses. In this lesson, we will cover verb tenses. In Tigrinya, verb tenses indicate when an action took place, in the past, present, or future. Furthermore, details are added about how long an action takes.
Verb tenses in Tigrinya.
ናይ ጊዜታት ህሉው ጊዜ
Simple present tense.
ሕሉፍ ጊዜ
Simple past tense.
ትንቢታዊ
Future tense.
ቀጻሊ
Present progressive.
ሰላም ከመይ ኣለኺ
ይመስገን ጽቡቕ ኣለኹ ንስፋፈ
Salam, how are you? Thanks, God. I am doing good. And you? Verb tenses in Tigrinya. Simple present tense verb to be. Only singular pronouns.
ናይ ጊዜታት ህሉው ጊዜ ናይ ምዃን ጊዜ ኣነ እየ
I am.
ንስኻ ኢኻ
You are masculine.
ንስኺ ኢኺ
You are feminine.
ንሱ እዩ
He is.
ንሳ እያ
She is. Simple past tense verb to be. Only singular pronouns.
ሕሉፍ ጊዜ ናይ ምዃን ጊዜ ኣነ ነይረ
I was.
ንስኻ ነርካ
You were masculine.
ንስኺ ነርኪ
You were feminine.
ንሱ ነይሩ
He was.
ንሳ ነይራ
She was. Simple present tense. Verb to have. Only singular pronouns.
ህሉው ጊዜ ናይ ምህላው ጊዜ ኣነ ኣሎኒ
I have.
ንስኻ ኣሎካ
You have masculine.
ንስኺ ኣሎኪ
You have feminine.
ንሱ ኣለዎ
He has.
ንሳ ኣለዋ
She has. Simple past tense. Verb to have. Only singular pronouns.
ሕሉፍ ጊዜ ናይ ምህላው ጊዜ ኣነ ነይሩኒ
I had.
ንስኻ ነይሩካ
You had masculine.
ንስኺ ነይሩኪ
You had feminine.
ንሱ ነይሩዎ
He had.
ንሳ ነይሩዋ
She had. Simple present tense. Verb to go. Only singular pronouns.
ህሉው ጊዜ ናይ ምኻድ ጊዜ ኣነ ይኸይድ
I go.
ንስኻ ትኸይድ
You go masculine.
ንስኺ ትኸዲ
You go feminine.
ንሱ ይኸይድ
He goes.
ንሳ ትኸይድ
She goes. Simple past tense. Verb to go. Only singular pronouns.
ሕሉፍ ጊዜ ናይ ምኻድ ጊዜ ኣነ ኸይደ
I went.
ንስኻ ኸድካ
You went masculine.
ንስኺ ኸድኪ
You went feminine.
ንሱ ኸይዱ
He went.
ንሳ ኸይዳ
She went. Future tense. Verb to go. Only singular pronouns.
ትምኒታዊ ጊዜ ናይ ምኻድ ጊዜ ኣነ ክኸይድ እየ
I will go.
ንስኻ ክትከይድ ኢኻ
You will go masculine.
ንስኺ ክትከዲ ኢኺ
You will go feminine.
ንሱ ክኸይድ እዩ
He will go.
ንሳ ክትከይድ እያ
She will go. Present continuous. Verb to go. Only singular pronouns.
ቀጻሊ ጊዜ ናይ ምኻድ ጊዜ ኣነ ይኸይድ ኣለኹ
I am going.
ንስኻ ትኸይድ ኣለኻ
You are going masculine.
ንስኺ ትኸዲ ኣለኺ
You are going feminine.
ንሱ ይኸይድ ኣሎ
He is going.
ንሳ ትኸይድ ኣላ
She is going.
Follow and like the channel, and share with whom which wishes to learn Tigrinya.